Hey guys, Vika here. You're with the Modern Creatures and welcome to another video. So first things first, I'm sure you guys noticed our new setup and our new plants. Yes, Kevin has been on his plant journey the couple of weeks and we've been getting more and more plants, and aren't they beautiful? He's also been taking care of them. But that's not the video for this, so maybe we'll mention it in our upcoming studio tour, maybe when we have more free time. Yes, we still owe you guys that one. But for today, what we're going to discuss is Huawei's latest lineup of smartwatches, particularly this new Huawei Watch GT Runner that we have right here. So it was launched alongside another model in the Huawei Watch GT series and alongside a new member of the FreeBuds family as well. But today it's just this that we're focusing on. So as the name implies, this is a watch that was designed with runners in mind. That means there are technologies on board this watch that are tailored specifically to the needs of runners who run outside and maybe even inside. But just because it says runner on it doesn't mean you can't use it if you don't run. Why? Because there are also technologies on this watch that will make your life easier, be it smart notifications or the regular health tracking features. This is a feature-filled watch and I'm excited to get right into the unboxing, so let's get to it. By the way guys, before we continue, if you've been following Kevin and I, then you would know that we moved into our new place a couple of months ago. So we wanted to decorate our walls and shelves with framed photos.
And it's a good thing we have this Canon PIXMA G570, as it focuses on printing not just high-quality photos, but also makes them long-lasting. The Canon PIXMA G570 is capable of high-volume photo printing, which can print up to 3,800 vibrant 4R prints, is able to mix a total of 6 colors for accurate hues and sharp details, and comes with ChromaLife 100 feature that can preserve the quality and color of photos up to 30, 50, or even 100 years, depending on proper storage conditions.
Yep, that photo can last 100 years if taken care of properly. It's priced at 12,795 pesos and comes with numerous warranties to ensure that you get the best experience from your Canon printer. Interesting, right? So stay tuned as we prepare our full video. So I already took out the plastic and the tape off the box, so I won't end up fumbling in front of you guys, and so we can head straight into the unboxing, right? So let's just lift this up. It lifts up quite easily right there, and wow, you watch Runner GT. Let's put this here so you guys remember what we're unboxing. Right off the bat, we get greeted with the watch, if you can see right here. And then there's a little tab here so we can get our accessories later. So for now, let's pull it outside of the box. Comes with this so the form doesn't fall off, but of course, you know, just pop that open. Right there. So that fell, but here's the watch. It is quite beautiful and it is really light, but we'll get more to that later since I don't have the thing that makes it stand up. I'm going to put it in here. There's a little flap where we can open the things that we'll find inside the box right there. Okay, so apart from the watch, what we have is an additional strap right here. I'm gonna take it out so you guys can already see it, and the little fastener, so the strap doesn't flail around when you're wearing it. So here you go, right there. We also have here the charger. So this is the magnetic charger that goes under the back of the watch right there, and see? Okay. We'll probably see how fast the battery will charge in the full review. So that's something to look forward to if battery is something that is on your checklist. Here we have the warranty card and the quick start guide. Okay, so now that we have everything outside of the box, let's get to the more exciting part of the video. We take a look at the Huawei Watch GT Runner. So first impressions, like I said earlier, it is very light. Kevin actually has the Huawei Watch GT, which he's been using since he got it. It's been maybe a year or maybe more than a year now. And it is a bit heavy. So now holding this, the Huawei GT Runner, it is really light, which makes sense because if you are a sports person, if you are a fitness enthusiast, you wouldn't want something heavy on your wrist weighing you down. It's a bit big on my wrist, but I think for Kevin, this will be absolutely perfect since it is similarly sized to the previous generation. So there we go. I don't know why I put it on because I'm going to take it off to pair it with the tablet or with my app. Some quick facts about this watch. The strap is actually antibacterial. If you are a fitness enthusiast, or even if you're not, if you're outside and it's hot and you are wearing a watch, you will sweat and you wouldn't want bacteria all over your arm. So the watch helps in keeping you cleaner because now we are more conscious about being clean than ever. So this is a good addition, in my opinion, to a sports watch. There are actually vents, I guess, if here on the face of the watch. Again, another design decision from Huawei to make things more breathable and again more sports oriented, or maybe just more comfortable in general. Again, you don't have to be a fitness enthusiast or a professional sports player or a professional runner to wear this watch. If you want something light, comfortable, made of rubber, antibacterial, maybe this is for you. Okay, so now let's move on and let's try and pair it with our Huawei Health app. Let's turn on the device. So you press the crown right here, wait for the logo to come out, and there we go, Huawei. So while we're waiting for that to boot up, we can take a closer look at the design. So this is where your trackers are. So your heart rate tracker. We have one crown right here instead of two compared to the GT2 Pro that Kevin has. So we only have one crown and another button here. Let's open up our health app. And down here it says devices. Then let's add a device. So now it's scanning. It sees my watch fit. And now it sees the Watch GT Runner right here. So let's choose that link. So Bluetooth message syncing, so we get notifications pushed to the watch. So now it's pairing. So we get a pairing request on the watch here. Let's just accept that. And we also have a phone book request. So the watch is, there, pairing successful. Okay, so that's done. Let's press done there. So this is the app interface. We'll get to that a little bit later. We'll just explore the watch first. So out of the box, you already get this very fitness-oriented watch face. You have this animated jogging person or running person right here, which the animation is really smooth and the colors are really nice. I'm really surprised by the quality of the display. But more than that, you also get the information you need, which is you have your elevation here and even your weather. You have time, even music controls, and of course other information that I'm sure you can customize later on. So pressing on the crown will open up the menu, and you already get that nice smooth animation. You can sense that the UI has been worked on compared to the previous generation. It's workout, so we have our workout modes there. The usual, we have a lot. How do we go back? We go back here. There, swipe to go back. Then workout status, lactate threshold, heart rate, SpO2, healthy living, activity records. There are a lot of features on here. Like I said, you don't have to be a runner or a fitness enthusiast to enjoy these features, because these are things that can help you lead a better, healthier life. Swiping from the top, you get these quick functions. They even have the drain. If your watch is too wet, you can prompt that so it helps get the moisture out of your watch. Really helpful for swimmers, really helpful for people who do water sports. Then you swipe up and this should bring up the notifications. Since we don't have, this is a fresh watch, we don't have notifications yet, but we have a cycle calendar. If you do want to sync data from your phone, but let's not do that. So pressing this, it's a quick button to your workouts. So you can immediately choose the workout that you want to do with this button. That's a nice touch if you don't want to fiddle through the settings and everything else. Okay, apart from that, the usual functions should still work. So press and hold to change your watch face, and you have all of that. And then you should be able to customize this into a photo that you want. So there we go, a lot of watch faces on board already, and we can add some more through the app, which we'll try right now. So here we have the Huawei Health app, where you can get an overview of your device, and like I said earlier, where you can change your watch faces. So from here, you can add more and more watch faces from the store, so there you go. You have a good choice, paid and free. But yeah, we're not doing that now. I just wanted to show you guys that there are a lot of watch faces you can choose from. But in this app, what's more important here is that you can get an overview of your tracked data and get more in-depth analysis, so you can make better decisions in terms of sleeping or maybe your exercise routine. So For example, maybe here you can set a Huawei True Sleep if you want it. If you want to turn sleep tracking on and off, activity reminders. If you want to have continuous heart rate monitoring, it's all here. So stress test and your SpO2, automatic SpO2. You also have the smart features, of course, your notifications, where again you can set which notifications you want to use or you want to see on your watch. And then your alarms, quick replies that you can set. So when you get messages on your phone, you don't have to type anything in. You can set your own reply and then just press it and it sends automatically. Then weather reports and others. So right now we won't see data because we did just get the watch, but here in the Huawei Health app, so you can monitor your heart rate if you've been having spikes or too low. It's a good dashboard to see your overall being, so including stress and even cycle calendar, and you can edit these to which ones you want. Again, just making the watch even more useful in the lives of everyday people or even, of course, runners or sports enthusiasts. The Watch GT Runner is made of polymer fiber case with ceramic finish and titanium alloy crown, which altogether is lightweight and should be comfortable to wear at just 38.5 grams. Huawei says the strap is made of antibacterial silicone, minimizing the chance of dirt buildup from sweat and everyday use. Since this is a runner-centric timepiece, it comes with features that should improve and make activity tracking easier for its user. The Watch GT Runner has a dual-band 5-system satellite navigation that reduces interference and results in faster satellite location and accurate positioning. The device also comes with Huawei TrueScene 5.0 Plus with a more accurate real-time heart rate monitoring and True Sport with scientific running program and more for both newbies and advanced runners. Additionally, its Running Mate feature has you covered with track navigation, music playback, and compass, so you wouldn't need to reach or even bring your phone all the time. And finally, it comes with AI Running Coach for customized personal running plans and adjusts training courses specifically to your capabilities. Just like the Watch GT2 Pro, the Watch GT Runner also comes with a 2-week battery life, so you wouldn't need to remind yourself to plug in the device every day. We will be testing this out in the following days to see how well it performs in our area, which is full of tall buildings, so stay tuned for that. The new Huawei Watch GT Runner is priced at 13,999 pesos in the Philippines and is available for pre-orders and comes with freebies. And that's all we have for our quick unboxing and preview of the Huawei Watch GT Runner. We are doing a full review, so that's something to watch out for if you're interested in this device. And as usual, please do visit our website and our other social media channels for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, I'm Vika. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.